Hyland Solutions has helped us innovate by empowering people. And what I mean by that is that when we build our solutions using the various tools, particularly with Unity Forms and workflows, it empowers our people to do their business differently in a way to better serve our membership. So when I think of innovation, the innovation is a tight component to how we want to serve in our industry market, and Hyland allows us to do that with our OnBase product suite. Our members' benefits that they receive from us using our Hyland solutions is that they have a very positive experience when engaging with our frontline support. They are able to provide us the right information, we're able to get our processes completed timely for them, and they just really leave satisfied with that experience that they've had with us. The benefit of Success Paths is partnership, and it is really about getting into the underground of what you have and working with Hyland to bring that forward. As a Success Paths program pilot, I've been able to really partner with Hyland in the evolution of that program. And that has been extremely positive because we've been able to kind of vet out what makes the most sense for where you are in your tenure with your Hyland solutions and as a customer. And for me, that's really partnership. I no longer consider myself just a customer of Hyland. I'm a partner of Hyland, and I'm excited to see where we go as an organization. I'm excited to see where Hyland goes with it and how we can kind of come together for a pretty powerful experience.